Hey, brother, how you doing?
I'm here.
That's amazing. You got to come in for one.
Oh,
It's really good to see you.
So, obviously, working, better, I'm gonna be shooting a lot more too.
Good.
Nice, you can shoot a lot. So this work here is the work of Katie in our class. She's a student at Clemson. She did some really beautiful work. Multicolors. And a nice conceptual project that she did. And this is Bob's work. He did some really nice straight palladium printing. And then we're going to move on here to Anna's work, right? And Anna did a really beautiful job. The only triptych of the class, which is really beautiful. And then we've got a little bit of two-tone here where she's painted into like casing, where she's painted into the bird in the image with some tone and color. This is a gorgeous image. And this is a portrait of her father from years and years ago that comes to a whole new life in gum over platinum. And this is Skip's stuff. Skip, oh no, you go right ahead in front of me. There you go. That's Katie sliding by. Say hi, Katie. Wave. That's Katie's work that I showed you first, the nice conceptual stuff. This is Skip, who again, a little more traditional type of work, but very precise and very beautiful stuff too. Skip learned the digital negative here, and I have a feeling it's going to be like he's shot out of a cannon once he gets home. And let's see, we're going to go up in here and we're going to look, and this is Skip. Hey, Skip, how are you doing?
Hi, how are you?
Let's do this.
How are you on?
We'll do our little
Oh,
selfie.
look at you.
Yeah, there we are. We're both in there. That's cool.
Backwards.
Did you have a good time?
Oh yeah.
I had a great time.
Great workshop.
You did some really nice work here, that's for sure.
Thank you.
I'm glad you liked it. And let's see. And this is Kerik's work that he worked on while he was here. He was printing for some stuff that needs to go out to Yosemite for the Ansel Adams Gallery. And that's kind of it. Let me go over here and get Kerik. This is Mr. Kerik, who was so kind to let me come down here and assist him in this workshop. I've had a great time, and we're still going to have more fun times, so stick with us.
Couldn't have done without you.
Oh man, it's been so good. Thank you. Thanks for bringing me. Anyway, check up with you a little bit later. So that kind of wraps everything up as far as the workshop goes this week. Sad to say, people are coming around from other studios right now looking at the work, and other people are touring the campus, but everything is pretty much done now, and the new session will be coming in pretty soon. Everything worked really well. I'm outside, I can be unmasked, but in the buildings everybody has to be masked here. So keep that in mind if you come here this summer for any of their courses. But it is really great to be among people again. It's really great to be able to collaborate with people again. It's really great to be able to have face-to-face conversations, and I hope we can all get back to somewhat normal life pretty soon. It's coming. It's definitely coming. So anyway, with that, like I said before, Kerik and I are going to be taking a little bit of a tour today, maybe up on the Blue Ridge Parkway, and then later on we're going to be meeting with Clay Harmon. So stay tuned, and thanks for coming along.